another most important tutorial, and this is going to be a very interesting. So please focus on this, which is very important. Now I want to rank this free digital marketing course which I have posted a recent article. So in front of you only I have started this, and I want to promote this free digital marketing course. This is called on-page SEO, guys, which is 100% important. So you need to keep focus on this. So on-page SEO is very important. Okay. So now how I'll rank using Yoast SEO. So we installed Yoast SEO, right? Now I'll show you how you can rank this. So if people who not installed Yoast SEO, go to plugins, click on add new, and install Yoast SEO plugin. YOAST SEO. Okay, so this is the plugin Yoast SEO. In the left side you will find it. So now what I'll do is, like, in the post I'll click on edit. This is my post, right? Now I want to edit this. Okay, which is very important. I'll show you how you can edit this. Scroll down. In the bottom you will find this Yoast SEO. Okay, so this is how you need to do. So there are two factors in on-page SEO. One is SEO and one is readability. So readability is nothing but how simple is your article, that defines readability. Okay, and SEO, these are the factors which I'm going to show you right now. Okay, now my readability is red and SEO is, I don't have any color, so both needs to be in green color. So that is where you can rank your website. Okay, so the focus keyword is free digital marketing course. This is my focus keyword. Now it is in orange. So once you click on this box, you will find SEO title, slug, and description. So I don't have any description right now. So first thing I need to give is a title. So this is my title, guys. Free digital marketing course with 40 plus modules, updated 2020. So I'll go with updated 2020. Okay, so this is the slug. So the slug will be always your post title, which is very important. So this is focus keyword free digital marketing course, and that slug will be also free digital marketing course, which is very important. This is called keyword. Okay, so we'll find out what is the search traffic for this keyword free digital marketing course. So I prefer Uber suggest, guys. So if you want, you can use it. This is my free account. So the search volume is 590. So 590 people are searching average. So you can select any country you wish. So in India, 5,400 people are searching. Okay, and the paid difficulty is 58 and SEO difficulty is 24, and the cost per click is 67.98. So 5,400 people are coming to this, searching for this free digital marketing course. Okay, so the search volume is also good, difficulty is also easy. So these two things you need to be considered when you're searching for a keyword. And I'll close it. Next thing, I'll modify meta description. So always you need to focus on one thing. The bar should on green. The bar should green. Okay. So I'll copy this. So I'll paste it here. So as a meta description. Okay. So it is again orange. So we need to make it green. Okay. Now it is green. Get free digital marketing course with 40 plus modules. If you like to make a career out of digital marketing, then start your studies today itself. Okay. Perfect. And now everything is green, green, green. Now what else we need to do? SEO analysis we need to do. So what are the things good? Outbound, key phrase, meta description. These things are very good. What are the negative things we have? Internal links, keyword phrase in introduction, keyword phrase, the focus keyword. So I'll tell you the internal links. So now I'll give an internal link. About Viru, I'll give an internal link to this. https:// Viru's blog / about Viru. This is another page of mine in the website. So that is called internal linking. Okay. So when you give a link, so automatically the error of internal links gone to green. So this is how you need to update each and everything. Okay. Key phrase in the introduction. So free digital marketing course. So I haven't mentioned this in the introduction. What is my introduction? This is my introduction. Okay. So I'll write it here like I'm giving away free digital marketing course with 40 plus modules. Meanwhile, let's find out what is digital marketing. So I use a tool called Grammarly. So you can use it for this grammar purpose, and we'll see whether it has gone or not. Key phrase in the introduction gone, and one more problem what I have is key phrase in the subheading. So you need to do all the things. Okay. So you need to find out key phrase in the slug in the sense URL. Okay. So this is slug. This is keyword you need to find. So that is why it is green. SEO title is good. We the green bar till green bar we have written the title. So key phrase in the title. So we have text length is also good. 869 words I have completely, and properly used key phrase. So meta description is also good. Just now we have updated. Key phrase also just now we updated. Key phrase 10 focus keyword also found 3 times, and key phrase length is also good, and key phrase in the introduction is also good. Internal links and outbound links we have given. Outbound link is nothing but I have given to the my course link. So that is why outbound. So one problem we have key phrase in the subheading. So my SEO analysis is completely green now. So as I told to you in the starting, so it is completely green. But meanwhile, I can change this key phrase in the subheading as well. This is so key phrase in subheading. So you need to use more frequently your keyword, guys. like free digital marketing course is my keyword, so you need to use it more frequently, so to get more visibility. So I have given already here, and what I'll do, I'll just copy this color code because I want to give it here, some color and paste. Done. So this is how you need to do the free digital marketing. I will give it a free digital marketing course. Fine. And next thing, the key phrase should be contained like in the text. At least you need to repeat the free digital marketing course. So what I'll do, I'll just see, your article should be natural. So don't include the keyword because it is necessary. So go with the flow, which is very very important. And these are my student reviews. Then start your studies today itself. I'll start your free digital marketing course today itself, and I'll make it bold to look more catchy. Okay, and fine, it became green. So this is how you need to optimize your SEO, guys. So maximum you need to get it on the green place. Okay, so this is how you need to do on page SEO. And thanks for watching this tutorial. I'll see you soon with my next tutorial as well. Thank you.